Greetings, learners. I hope you are well. This is mathematics for junior secondary. With me is a question coming from 2022 grade 9 internal examinations. This was question 1B, paper 2. Please pay attention. Evaluate 11011 base 2 plus 11 base 2, giving your answer in base 2. Identify the topic from which the question is coming from. Well, these are number bases. We are told to do what? To add. So you are going to do this. You copy this 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 in base 2 plus 1, 1 right this side in base 2. This is what we are going to add, and we are told that the answer should be in base 2. Put the addition sign. Now the question is, how do you add? Everything is in base 2. Do you know what it means? Let me start by giving you this example. When you give a grade 1, grade 2 this question to say add 7, 6, 4, and then I've got 6 here, maybe with a 5 here, add. You see that? It will be very easy to add. Why? Do you know the base that we are dealing with here? If there is no number here or base indicated, just know that you are dealing with base 10. We were not telling you this when we were in primary school, right? But you need to know that you are dealing with the base 10. This time around, we have specified to say add in base 2, not in base 10. Okay? So I can put a 10 here to indicate that this is base 10, or without the 10. So base 10, the base can either be there or not. Treat that to be in base 10. But any other base, they will indicate. Base 5, base 8, base whatever, it will always be there. Now, I want you to understand this. When you were adding this, you were saying 4 plus 6 to give you what? 10. Were you writing 10 here? Or do we write 10 here? No. Why? This is what you need to know. When you are dealing with base 10, we only consider digits from 0 to 9, not 10. 0, 1, 2, up to what? Up to 9. That is base 10. It therefore implies that when you are dealing with base 8, you only consider digits from 0 to 7. Can you guess here? Dealing with base 2, digits must be 0, 1 only. In base 2, there is no 2, there is no 3, there is no 4. It's only 0 and 1. Are you following? But how do we add? Now we know. So when you said 4 plus 6, it is 10. Since 10 is not in base 10, you cannot write it here. You write somewhere. Then you are going to say, oh, I'm dealing with base 10. How many 10s are in 10? It is 1. Don't write 1 here. Write here. The answers here are remainders. So you're going to say, I'm dealing with base 10. How many 10s are in 10? 1. Remainder? 0. You see that? That is the way we are adding. Just like that. So remainders here are the answers. You go to the next one. 6 plus 5. It will be 11. There is no 11 here. You see that? Remember there is this one here. So 11 plus this one gives you 12. You cannot write 12 here. You write it somewhere. Ask yourself, I'm dealing with base 10. How many 10s I need? 12. There's only one 10. So write 1 here. What will be the remainder? 2. The remainder right here. 2. We go to the next one. 7. What is here? 0. 7 plus 0. It will be 7. Remember there is this one here. Plus 1 gives you 8. Do we have 8 here? Yes. So, right. That is the way you are adding. So when you add this, you are going to get 820. See that? With this information, this now becomes easier. What is 1 plus 1? 2. In base 2, do we have 2? No. I said in base 2, it's only 0 and 1. So now that 1 plus 1 is 2, now that 1 plus 1 is 2, and I'm dealing with base 2, I'll divide. I'll say, how many 2's are in 2? There's only 1. Don't write here, write down. 2 into 2, it's 1. What will be the remainder? No remainder, 0. So write 0 here as a remainder. You move on. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus this one, 3. Then how many 2's are in 3? There is only 1. What will be the remainder? There will be remainder 1. Right here, remainder. Move on. Here it means you have a 0, here you have a 0, here you have a 0. You see that? 0 plus 0. It is 0. Plus this one. It is 1. So 1, there is 1 in base 2. Write 1. 1 plus 0, it will be 1. 1 plus 0, it will be 1. You are done. That is the way we add. So you can use this knowledge to add in any base. Base 5, base 2, base 6, base 8, base 10. Just the same thing. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.